JPMorgan sees Bitcoin at $170,000 and support level at $94,000. But unfortunately, Bitcoin is trading below $90,000. But this is not that bad as it looks. I am full-time institutional crypto trader. And let's take a look what happened and where we can wait Bitcoin price in the near future. Let's go. So first of all, let's take a look at the Bitcoin ETF inflows and outflows for the last days. And as you can see, each day we have outflows. So that means Bitcoin ETF holders are selling their ETFs. And here we can see, for example, last week, the Bitcoin ETF holders sold almost 3,000 Bitcoins. On Thursday, more than 8,000 Bitcoins. And also in the last days, we can see outflows as well. And this makes a selling pressure on Bitcoin price. And this we can see very well on this chart. So the red lines on the chart indicate the outflows from the ETF. Or simply speaking, Bitcoin ETF holders are selling their ETFs. And as a result, Bitcoin price, which is a black line on the chart, was under a massive pressure and fall below $90,000. And the price target of $90,000 is very crucial for Bitcoin ETF, because investors' break-even price for Bitcoin ETF is equal to $89,600. And that means when the price of Bitcoin is below this price target, on average, all Bitcoin ETF investors have unrealized loss. And as a result, to minimize further potential losses, investor could sell Bitcoin ETFs, and as a result pushing the price of Bitcoin even lower. But everything is not that bad as it looks. And let's take a look at the next chart. And here we can see crypto fear and greed index, which right now has a value of 16, and historical lowest value since 2023 was equal to 15. And right now we are very close to a historical lowest value. And let's take a look what happened exactly last time in 2025 as the value hit 15. After fear and greed index reached the lowest value of 15, Bitcoin price rebound. And next time when Bitcoin fear and greed index was also at the lowest value, Bitcoin showed a nice growth. And the current extreme fear index could also indicate the local bottom. And this is also what on-chain analysis is indicating about. And basically on-chain analysis is fundamental analysis of Bitcoin, where we can analyze the behavior of the big players and also retail investors. And let's take a closer look. And here we can see the risk indicator from Glassnode, which is called short-term holder cost basis model. And what is the most important for us is to take a look at this green line, which indicate very important support level. The black line is price of Bitcoin. And as you can see, in June 2024, the price of Bitcoin hit this green line and after that bounced back. In September 2024, we can see also that the Bitcoin price hit 2 times the green line and bounced back again. And also early this year we can see the similar pattern. Right now Bitcoin price is already a bit lower than this support level, but still not far away from it. So for now officially we are not in the bear market yet. And it's important that the Bitcoin price recovers and stay above this green line, which is in this case is $94,000 right now. And then Bitcoin price will be able to recover and move higher, as it was, for example, in September 2024 and also early this year, as the price of Bitcoin was below the support level and then recover and move higher and hit the new all-time high. So that's why it's very important to see Bitcoin price recovery in the short term. And by the way, if you would like to be up to date and receive the market updates from me and also chat with me, you can join my free Discord channel. The link you will find in the description below. And also let's take a look at the second very important on-chain metric, which shows the realized price of active investor. And here we can see the green line as well, which indicates the active realized price, which is starting from 2023 is very important support level. As you can see, the Bitcoin price, which is black in this case, bounced 3 times from this support level. And right now the support level is located at $88,000. So very close to current market price. And that's why it's very important right now that the Bitcoin price stay above $88,000 and recover above $94,000. And we still have a good chance to see this price, because if we take a look at the seasonality, so the Bitcoin price performance for each month, we can see that November has the average price increase of 41% or median price increase of almost 9%. As you can see, October in this year was not that successful as it was in all previous years. As you can see, between 2024 and 2019, each year Bitcoin price in October has a positive increase, and only in 2018 and 2014 Bitcoin price show a decline. November month for Bitcoin is also still quite bullish, so it could be the chance that we will see the V-shaped recovery and price increase in Bitcoin. So there is still chance that we will see a positive performance of Bitcoin price until the end of this year. But if we take a look at the option market is not that optimistic. And today we can see a very high implied volatility for Bitcoin and also for Ethereum. Bitcoin has implied volatility of 64 and Ethereum more than 100. And those values are very high. And this very high implied volatility matches with extreme fear in the market. We can also see that the 25 delta skew for call-put ratio is negative. And this indicates that the put options are more expensive than the call options. And the market participants are ready to pay high premiums to protect themselves by buying put options. As a result, this could indicate the further decline of the price, because the sentiment of the market is not that bullish. Also, we can see that the market is not that bullish if we take a look at the cash and carry rates, which are below 4% until the end of December, and this indicates that there is no high demand for long positions in the future market. So that means we need to stay defensive with the market. And as always, the best strategy is to stay on the both sides of the market. For example, to be ready to buy Bitcoin at a lower price and at the same time sell Bitcoin at a higher price. And in this case, no matter where the price will go, you benefit from the market. This was a short market update from me, and if you would like to learn more about the crypto options, you can watch my next video here or here. See you in the next video. Bye.